So what we've got going on with this washer is the customer's complaint is it's overfilling. We are getting a pressure switch signal out of range error code on here. When the washer was filling, basically the water level was getting well above the wash plate. When you try to run it in like a drain and spin cycle, the unit was actually spinning when it was full of water. So the unit was not detecting water in the tub. First thing we did was flip the console over here. You've got 2 1/4-inch screws right on the back at the top, and then I use a little credit card, stick it right up underneath here, and you release these 2 spring tabs on either side. Just take the card and basically push it right up underneath there to release it. And we have removed the air tube from the board. This is the onboard pressure switch, and blew through it. And the air tube is completely clear, so we also checked to make sure there was no holes or rips anywhere in the actual air tube. So at that point, we're going to go ahead and replace this main control board. So to do that, we're going to disconnect power. And we're going to basically just go ahead and remove all of our harnesses. Everything on here is keyed, so don't have to worry about the order you're taking everything off. Okay, once all that's removed, you just got 1 1/4-inch screw right here, and these 2 tabs right there that you just depress with a pair of needle nose. Before we start with that, we'll go ahead and we'll remove the knob. Set that down. Move our 1/4-inch screw. And just flip it forward here. Just depress these tabs, the needle nose. Lift the board up. And the bottom of it kind of locks right into this slot right here. We'll set this board aside. Got our new control here. Make sure your little light bar piece here stays in place. So that does not come with your new board. And just go ahead and kind of make sure all your wiring's clear. Drop it right down into place. And then push on the back side here to lock your 2 tabs. Go ahead and reinstall your 1/4-inch screw. Reconnect all your harnesses. Now lastly, we'll go ahead and reconnect our pressure switch air tube. Okay. Got one more for our encoder switches here. Okay, once everything is connected, I'm just going to go ahead and roll it forward. I'm just going to kind of set it there for now. And we are going to plug the unit in. The first thing you want to do anytime you install pretty much any new part on one of these that's got any kind of electronics on it is to calibrate the unit. So we're going to give this board a minute to boot up. The easiest way, just start with the indicator at the top, facing directly up. And you're going to go left, right, 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 left, right. And you're going to see all your lights flashing. Going to go one more click clockwise. There's done. Spin. Spin and done. Rinse is what you're looking for. When it's on the rinse there, that's going to be the calibration cycle. And just go ahead and hit the start button. Light bar will start sequentially chasing. And this will take about roughly 2-3 minutes to run this calibration cycle. And then after that, we'll go ahead and run a test cycle and fill it with water. Okay, once your calibration cycle has completed, we're going to go back into service diagnostics real quick. Left, right, 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 left, right. Go one click clockwise so the done light is illuminated. And one more time clockwise. And we've just got one sensing light blinking. That's indicating that it did not pick up any faults during the calibration mode. So go ahead and just press and hold your start button. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000. That'll take you out. And we'll go ahead and just start a normal wash cycle and check the water level. Like I said before, water level got up to pretty high. I mean, well over what it normally should be. We had about 8 or 9 inches in the tub on the normal wash. Shouldn't get really anything close to that as far as the water level. And also it was spinning with the tub full of water. Okay, so the unit did stop filling and began to agitate with the proper amount of water in there. We're going to go ahead and lock our control board back into place. Tilt it back. Lock your 2 front tabs in. And then we've just got our 2 1/4 inch screw on the back side here. Okay, that's going to complete our repair for today.